In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn notification settings on mobile. If you want more control over the alerts and updates you receive from LinkedIn, this is a quick setting to know. Adjusting your notification preferences can help you cut down on unnecessary alerts, stay focused best fastest, and make sure you only get the updates that actually matter to you, whether those are messages, job activity, network updates, or platform reminders. To begin, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Make sure you're already signed in so you can access your account settings without interruption. Once the app opens, give it a moment to fully load the home screen. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. This will open the main account menu where LinkedIn places several personal settings and account options. If you're new to the app layout, this is a useful area to remember because many account controls can be accessed from here. From that menu, select Notifications. This will take you directly to the section where you can manage how LinkedIn contacts you and what types of activity trigger alerts. Depending on your version of the app, you may see different categories for notifications, but the general layout is designed to help you review and update your preferences easily. Once you're in the Notifications section, you can change all of your notification settings here. Take a moment to go through the available options carefully. You may be able to adjust alerts for things like connection requests, messages, comments, reactions, job recommendations, and updates related to your professional network. If you feel like LinkedIn sends too many alerts, this is the place to reduce them. On the other hand, if you're actively job searching or networking, you may want to keep certain notifications turned on so you don't miss important activity. As you make changes, be sure to review each section so your settings match how you want to use the app. This can make your LinkedIn experience feel much more organized and less distracting. And that's all. That's how you change LinkedIn notification settings on mobile. Once you've updated your preferences, you can simply leave the menu, and your changes should take effect right away.